Welcome back to the Basics Hub. Today we're sharing 10 easy outdoor hacks that will transform your space without breaking the bank. From lighting to seating, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. Hack 1. DIY Solar Light Pathway. Our first hack is a DIY solar light pathway. You'll need solar pathway lights, a drill, optional. Start by planning your light placement. If the soil is hard, use a drill to create pilot holes. Insert the lights, ensuring they're level. These lights require no wiring and will automatically illuminate at night, adding safety and ambiance to your outdoor space. Hack 2. Hanging planters from the ceiling. Next, let's add some greenery with hanging planters. You'll need swag bolts, a drill, and hanging planters with plants. Locate a sturdy beam on your porch ceiling. Install the swag bolts, then hang your planters. This hack not only saves space, but adds a beautiful, lush touch to your outdoor decor. Hack 3. Build a simple wooden bench. Now let's add some seating with a DIY wooden bench. You'll need 2 wooden boards, screws, a drill, and a saw, if cutting is needed. Cut your boards to size if necessary. Assemble the bench using screws, creating a simple yet sturdy seating option for your garden or patio. This project can be completed in just a couple of hours. Hack 4. Outdoor planters from old containers. Let's upcycle with our next hack. Find old tins or containers and transform them into planters. You'll need old containers, a drill, paint, optional, and plants or herbs. Drill drainage holes in the bottom of your containers. Paint them if desired, then fill with soil and your chosen plants. This is a great way to add color and life to your outdoor space while recycling. Hack 5. DIY Firewood Holder. Our next hack is a DIY firewood holder. You'll need wood planks, screws, a drill, and wall anchors. Create a simple frame and attach it to your wall using anchors. This floating firewood holder adds both functionality and a cozy aesthetic to your outdoor space, perfect for those chilly evenings. Hack 6. DIY Garden Trellis. Next up, let's build a DIY garden trellis to support climbing plants. You'll need wooden stakes or bamboo poles, twine or wire, and a drill, optional. Start by driving the stakes into the ground in a triangular or square shape, depending on your design. Use twine or wire to create a grid pattern between the stakes. This trellis will not only support your plants but also add vertical interest to your garden. Hack 7. Create a stone pathway. Our next hack is creating a stone pathway. You'll need flat stones or pavers, sand or gravel. Plan your pathway layout and clear the area of grass and weeds. Lay down a layer of sand or gravel for stability, then place your stones in your desired pattern. This will create an attractive and functional path through your garden. Hack 8. DIY bird feeder from recycled materials. Let's attract some feathered friends with a DIY bird feeder. You'll need an empty plastic bottle or milk jug, wooden dowels or chopsticks, and birdseed. Cut holes in the sides of the bottle for the dowels to fit through, then fill it with birdseed. Hang it from a tree branch using twine. This simple project is great for recycling and will bring birds to your yard. Hack 9. Upcycled Pallet Garden. Next, let's create an upcycled pallet garden. You'll need an old wooden pallet, landscape fabric, soil, and plants. Lay the pallet flat and attach landscape fabric to the back and sides to hold in soil. Stand it upright against a wall or fence. Fill each section with soil and plant herbs, flowers, or succulents. This vertical garden is perfect for small spaces. Hack 10. DIY Outdoor Chalkboard. Finally, let's make a DIY outdoor chalkboard. You'll need a piece of plywood, chalkboard paint, and a frame, optional. Paint the plywood with chalkboard paint and allow it to dry completely. If you want, you can frame it for added style. Hang it on your porch or fence for messages, menus, or fun doodles, perfect for entertaining guests. And there you have it, 10 easy outdoor hacks to transform your space. These projects are not only fun, but also practical and budget-friendly. If you enjoyed these outdoor hacks, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more creative DIY ideas. Share your own outdoor projects in the comments below. We'd love to see them. Happy crafting!